right. Next up is a song that need not be introduced to true Microgirl fans, but it contains a lesson that we should all live by. So let's hear it. When you're away.